Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm Indy if you are new here, and if you are already a part of the Indy fam, thank you so much for being a subscriber and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing my, I think first unboxing of a luxury item. This is what I'm gonna call light luxury. It's not a big ticket item at all, but I do want to just start buying myself things that I want that are considered luxury, like smaller bag or like a little wallet or like jewelry pieces, something from designer brands, luxury brands that I've had my eye on because I deserve it. So this is a bag that I've had my eye on for quite some time, and I have talked about this bag a little bit on my channel and a little bit on my TikTok as well. Side note, if you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you guys follow me over there because I do post content over there, vlogs, little chit chats and stuff like that. So make sure you guys are following me over there. I also do makeup content as well. I went to Pennsylvania and it was so exciting to just visit a new place. I've never been to Pennsylvania and it was gorgeous and we had so much fun. But while we were there, we went to King of Prussia to go shopping. So I knew I wanted to buy myself something really nice and really special on my trip there. Didn't know exactly what I wanted. I knew I wanted like a bag or something. I had my eye on this bag and I was like, I think I might buy it when I go up there, but I was like a little nervous. I got this at the actual store. It was so exciting and it was really just invigorating and just really exciting to get myself something that I work hard for and something that I've been wanting for a long time. I went to the Marc store and shout out to the employees there. They were so nice and so helpful and so patient. Let's go ahead and pull out the bag. It comes in a bag like this. And I'm gonna have to try to open this really, really neatly because I'm gonna also have to wrap it back up and unbox it again for TikTok. So let's see if I can unbox it really nice and neatly. So they have some tape here. Okay, so got the top open. So this is the bag. Oh! So here is the bag, and I got the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in black. I am so excited. This is the back. Oh my gosh. Now, I have not opened this since I got back, and I've been back from Philly for going on maybe 2 weeks. So I have been really waiting to open this bag. I am so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get the paper off so I can open it, cut it. I've got my little scissors here. I can tape it back on the underside of it. Okay, so we got the tape off. I'm not gonna cut off any of the tags or anything. So we have a zipper right here. So happy that there's a zipper. And we're gonna open it. And this is the inside of the bag. And you get a matching strap as well. So I got the black bag, so I got a black strap. And I'm not gonna open this just yet. And this is the inside of the bag. You get the little silica packet and you get a little card. It has Marc Jacobs on it that certifies your purchase and lets you know how to clean it and stuff. So I need to keep up with that. So yes, this is the bag. So it has a really nice interior. There aren't any side pockets. There aren't any zippers inside. So everything that you drop in here is just gonna go straight to the bag. And so I'm definitely gonna have to get me some cute little pouches and stuff to put in here so that I can make sure to keep my bag organized. You get little sides here. And let's see where, okay, so your strap goes here on these silver hooks. There we go. So these are your strap hooks right here. And let me see if I can open it up a little bit so you guys can get the full picture. So yes, and I got the one in small. So they had 3 different sizes, small, medium, large. And your girl just had to start off small, had to start off low. So yes, this is her, and she's actually bigger than I thought. I am so excited to have this bag. I think this is probably going to be like my work bag, because I just want to carry it all the freaking time. It's definitely going to be my errand bag. It's going to be like my run to Target bag, just my get cute and step out bag. I'm just so excited to fill this puppy up and like go run errands on like a Saturday or something. Like, I cannot wait. So, and I love it. I'm so excited. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you have one down below. I'm definitely gonna, I need at least 2 more. I need the khaki and I need like a sage green, or I need like that blue color. So maybe like 4 more I feel like I need, but I definitely had to start off with the classic black. So that is the bag. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Just a simple, quick unboxing. My first Lite luxury unboxing. Let me know if you guys enjoy. I do have one more thing to unbox. I'm super excited about that as well. And so that'll probably be like next week's video. And then I have a couple of things on my eyes as well to get in the next couple of weeks. So make sure that you guys are subscribed so that you can see my Lite luxury unboxings in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I do accept both. Leave a comment down below and ring the bell notification button so you're notified every time I upload new content. Make sure that you are following me on social media. My social media links will be down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.